Lesson 24. What is probability? Example 13. One card is randomly selected from a standard deck of cards. Find the probability that the card selected is a king, given it is a face card. So to find the probability that the card selected is a king, given it's a face card, we first need to take into account the given information, that the card was a face card. So even though the randomly selected card was out of the 52 total cards in the deck, when you're given that it's a face card, we know that the result only occurred in one of these 12 face cards. So the given information redefines the total number of possible outcomes. So instead of calculating this probability out of the 52 total cards, we're going to be calculating this probability out of the 12 face cards. Now the probability in question is, what's the probability it's a king? So out of the 12 face cards, there are 4 kings. So the probability that the randomly selected card is a king, given it's a face card, would be 4 chances out of 12. Thus, 4 chances out of 12 rounds off to 0.333 decimal, or 33.3%. Thus, the probability that the randomly selected card is a king, given that we know it's a face card, is 33.3%. Now notice that this given probability does not produce the same result as the non-given probability. That is, the probability that the randomly selected card is a king when we're not given any information is 4 kings out of 52 total cards, and 4 out of 52 is 7.7%. 7.7% is not equal to the 33.3% probability. That's the probability of selecting the king given that we know it's a face card. That's because kings are just one of the 13 types of cards, but kings are just one of the 3 face cards. This indicates that given information that the card is a face card has an effect on the probability of the type of card selected. In statistics, when one event has an effect on the other event, they're said to be not independent.